Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny, and we are joined here today by Aeryk. And what are we doing today, Aeryk?
We are putting dual tips on the Optima.
Yeah, so if you guys didn't know, he just recently got a custom exhaust done, and it sounds pretty fucking gnarly. But we're putting some titanium burnt tips on, so catch you guys on the road. Alright guys, we have made it to Centralia, and we're about to hit that muffler shop and get this thing looking fucking clean as hell. Muffler Man, hell yeah. Alright guys, so here's the before shot. These are just 2.5 inch pipes cut, and what we got inside this box is titanium burnt tip exhaust quad tip, and also this truck is dope as fuck.
How you doing? How are you? I'm good. There's a lighter and a darker, and I'd like the lighter to be on the outside. If that makes sense.
Ooh.
You want this side
Out.
out?
Oh, hear that grumble. Alright. We're gonna go get some food, maybe chill out until he's done with that, but yeah. See what's going on in the Chehalis City streets. Woo! Yeah. Gonna hit that, yo. Oh, Coca-Cola.
In the bottom.
And it's the aesthetic, bro. It's the aesthetic. Secured. Alright. Let's get it. Thank you. Yeah, back on the city streets. Got his Doritos. There you go. Damn. Alright. Back at the muffler shop. We about to get some goddamn food in us. Ooh, look at that. Yum. Damn guys, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, you down there welding? Yeah, brother. Alright guys, Eric's super excited. Doesn't look like it, but but it's time for the big reveal. You guys ready? Whoa, look at those. Goddamn. Ooh.